Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install a CarPlay system in your BMW F45. For the method I'm gonna show you, you don't need to buy a new device to have in the panel. That's basically a software update. You're gonna do this using your laptop and connecting remotely with the guy that does this kind of service, okay? I'm gonna leave in the description the link for you to get access to his website and also his phone number, so if you have any questions regarding the model of your car, the software, you can just text him on WhatsApp and he will be able to sort your doubts out, okay? So I'll show you now what he has to do. So basically he's connected remotely to my laptop and I have my laptop connected to the car using this Ethernet cable. I also will leave that in the description for you, so you can buy that in Amazon. He told me that this process will take around 2 or 3 hours. In this whole time you're gonna need the car on, and he also is gonna send to you the full PDF with all the informations you might need for that. So as I said, in this method you don't need to replace this. You can keep the original BMW dashboard. Actually, I'm not sure if that's a dashboard. Basically that's a multimedia that you're gonna have with your car. It's just basically you're gonna update the software that you have, and you'll be able to install the CarPlay. So now he's starting the flashing process. During this process you're gonna see a few errors on the dashboard. You're also going to have a blue screen over there. That's totally normal, and it's just part of the process, okay? So after a few minutes the screen goes blue, and that means that the flashing has started. It'll take around 2 or 3 hours, the guy told me. So after, let's say, 1 hour and a few minutes, that started to look a bit different now, as you can see. I think that was successfully done. So now after around 2 hours he has finished. Everything is up and running properly, and that should be everything. So guys, as you can see, everything is up and running. The guy, he managed to do everything through the remote access to the laptop. I forgot to mention that the first part of this process was the video I have here on the channel as well, showing how to install the Wi-Fi antenna. You need that antenna to be able to connect the CarPlay without cables, so wireless. And that should be everything now, okay? If you liked the video, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with people you think might be interested in doing this whole process. I'm also gonna leave the guy's contact details, so if you need to do this update in your car, you can contact him. He'll be able to sort out your questions and everything that you have, and he also will show you how to do whatever you need to buy, whatever you need to do. He's gonna help you out there, okay? Thanks very much, thanks for watching, and see you later.